In this video, we are going to be constructing an isometric circle using the approximate method. So the question is, construct an isometric circle 16 millimeters diameter using the approximate method. Okay, so first thing first, we're going to ensure that our polar tracking is set to 30, 60, 90, which would allow us to get our receding angles of 30 degrees. Then we're going to draw a line at any particular length. This is going to be our reference line. Okay, so we are going to construct an isometric. We're going to draw the isometric square first of side 60 millimeters. We can do all of this in our construction layer. 60. Let's do some labeling quickly. Okay, now we're going to connect the midpoint of A, B to C, G midpoint. Alright? And we're going to connect the midpoint of BC to the midpoint of AD. And we're going to connect E to C. Okay, and now let's label some points again. I'm going to label this A1. Okay, so we could go back to the object line layer and using the arc tool or the center start end, using the center, we're going to scribe an arc of radius B A3 to A4, and using the center start end tool again, using the center and radius A1, we're going to scribe an arc to A2. Now we go back to the construction layer and we're going to connect A3 to B, and now we're going to connect A1 to D. We're going to label these 2 points really quickly. P1, put this on the text layer, and then we have P2. Put this on the text layer as well. Okay, so using P1 as center, object line layer, using P1 as center and A2 as radius, we're going to scribe an arc to A3, and using P2 as center and A4 as radius, we're going to scribe an arc to A1. So there we have it, our isometric circle of 16 millimeters diameter using the approximate method.